Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make what's it called again? uh a delete a kick all button. Okay, so you'll just see when I make it. I don't know what's the word for it. So open up a new template. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to use base plate. I'm going to skip to when it's done. To when the loading's done, I mean. Whoa. Alright. So, now you're gonna want to insert a script in the server script service. Once you can, so you're gonna want to make whatever you want on the Star GUI. But I'm just gonna make a normal button since that's what I'm making. That's what I told you guys I would make. So you guys can edit your button, and I'm gonna go back to you when it. Alright, so here's my button, and oh yeah, this only works for one server, which is the server that you're in. And so you're gonna want to drag the screen GUI into your script. You can name any of these things whatever you want, but just don't change the script itself. I mean the scripts. You can name it. You can name this like that, or you get it. So I'm gonna want to say so game.players.player added connect function player. You're gonna want to say aloud. Oops. Oh, local aloud, I mean. You can make this variable called whatever. You can call this variable whatever you want, but but you just have to. You can rename it if you want. So curly braces. You can add as many people as you want, like in the last video I just posted. I'll put a card for it or a tag, whatever, in up here, I think. Yeah, here somewhere. So I'm just gonna put my name. You can put as many people as you want. You just have to put a comma and their name. But I'm alone, so just gonna do that. So you're gonna want to do a for loop for IV and pairs. Oh wait. You're gonna want to say aloud inside of the pairs, or your or whatever your what's it called? Your variable was called. So you're gonna want to say if player dot name equals v. Just make sure it's a lowercase v. Then script dot screen GUI dot clone dot parent equals player dot name. I mean no, player dot player GUI. So right now, make sure my name's spelled correctly. It's gonna show the button. Oh, let me just show you after. Where's my mouse? So it's gonna show the button of my it's gonna show the button I edited, but it doesn't do anything. So what do you want to do? Oh yeah, and I'm gonna make my name. I'm gonna spell my name wrong purposely later, so I can show you it's not fake. So what you're gonna want to do is insert a script or a local script. No script, I think, just to make sure. A script into the screen GUI. You're gonna want to say local frame equals script dot parent dot frame. So so let's see. So now you're gonna want to say frame dot text button dot mouse button one click connect function. So when I click it, we're gonna want to do game dot players dot clear all children. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna make everyone not be able to do anything. It's not, so the chances of them leaving is very high since they can't do anything. So everything is just going to be blank. So the chances of them leaving is really, really high. Oh yeah, but I think when a new player joins the game, you're going to have to do that whole thing again. Oh yeah, and if you try restarting, it's not going to work. Resetting. So let's say I did something wrong. Extra R. Okay, I'm going to pause. Alright, so it's not there. I'm going to try to see if there's another way to make sure you can work, but oh yeah, and this is Camtasia, the other one I'm talking about. So tell me if you like OBS, Bandicam, or Camtasia, and in the comments, and if you just comment down below which one you like more, and I might use it instead. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.